welcome back to our channel. It's Florencia again from the Star Family channel. Welcome back. Today, since vertical, I'm gonna have to open my Regalo sa Sarili. So I got this purse from Spade. We went to the outlet store the other day, and this is what I got. Ano guys, regalo sa sarili guys, diba? And this is White Dove Multi Emelyn Briar Lane Quilted Colorblock. So, ang presyo niyan guys is retail price is $379.99 and it was on sale and I got it for $91.20. See, $91.20 out of $379.99 US dollars. So, it has 70% off plus 20% off. So it's wow. So let's open it, guys. Yan. And $379.99. So it's of course it's okay. It has a zipper pocket here. And another pocket right here. Oh, I like it, guys. I like the color too. And there's another big pocket right here. There, finally done. Oh, nice. So and you can also do it like this. Yeah, it's quilted, guys. The design, look at the design. That's the design. I like the color, guys. It's white, beige, beige, and it's a yellow top, and it's chain strap. like it. So where you can put your wallet, maybe a small makeup pouch, or phone, what else, sanitizer, sanitizing wipes, I love it. So, my birthday present for myself. Yes, my birthday present for myself. Because it's my birthday today. And anyway, guys, thank you very much to our 3,000 subscribers. Yay! We got 3,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much, guys, for keep watching our videos and keep supporting us. Thank you so much, and I owe you a lot. Thank you. So if you like this video, please comment down. Please give us a huge thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe and click on the bell for notification. And that's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.